company Iron Tech Doll has unveiled its series of robotic dolls called Real Lady, which has caused a sensation in the industry. These robots are designed to replace women in the near future. They are distinguished by their high level of realism and thoughtful details, making them as close to real women as possible. The main focus in the development of the Real Lady series is on the quality of materials and the accuracy of human anatomy reproduction. The dolls are made from high-quality silicone, giving them an incredibly realistic feel to the touch. The appearance of the dolls is also meticulously crafted. Every detail, including skin texture, facial features, and body shape, is created with maximum precision. Moreover, the Real Lady series dolls have a movable skeleton, allowing them to take various poses and be flexible in use. This gives users the opportunity to fully enjoy the realistic interaction with the doll. Iron Tech Doll also offers a wide range of customization options for its customers, allowing them to choose eye color, hairstyle, skin tone, and other features of the doll to satisfy the most diverse preferences. Robot developer DS Doll from the Chinese city of Dalian aims to create and mass-produce the world's first commercially viable female humanoid robots capable of moving autonomously. A team of scientists and engineers at the DS Doll's factory is using 3D printing technology to create the composite parts of the intelligent humanoid. The company has stated that the first prototype android with a movable head, body, arms, and legs is nearly complete. A video released by DS Doll highlights the progress made by the firm in creating a functional female robot that can move its entire body without human control. In the 20-second video, the cyborg suddenly shakes before making sharp movements with both arms. From the neck up, the robot looks almost human with a silicone body and a wig covering its head. It reflects the features of a real woman with incredible attention to detail. However, below the neck, the mechanical inner workings of the robot are revealed, showing a complex skeletal structure designed to mimic the human body in full scale. The American company Hanson Robotics has created a humanoid robot named Whitney Cummings, which is a technological replica of the famous comedian and actress Whitney Cummings. The Whitney Cummings robot was developed to study human-machine interaction and to be used in the entertainment industry. It is equipped with advanced technologies, including artificial intelligence, facial and voice recognition systems, and complex motor functions that allow it to mimic human expressions and movements. This robot can engage in conversations, respond to facial expressions, and even make jokes, making it ideal for interactive performances and shows. One of the robot's unique features is its ability to adapt to different situations and contexts, enabling it to interact naturally with audiences. The robot was featured in Whitney Cummings' stand-up show on her Netflix special, Can I Touch It?, which generated significant interest and discussion among viewers. The Japanese railway has introduced the first transformer robot designed for routine maintenance and track servicing. The size of the robot is astonishing, standing at a height of 12 meters. In the footage you see on the screen, the robot, reminiscent of a character from the blockbuster Transformers, is painting overhead wire supports and trimming branches hanging over the tracks. Various attachments for the robot's iron hands allow it to perform a multitude of tasks. The robot is operated by an operator seated in a special cabin in a truck, which moves the robot along the railway tracks. Cameras are installed in the robot's eyes to transmit images to the operator's goggles. The robot is not only capable of performing repairs and fixing issues, but also of carrying loads weighing around 40 kilograms. In the future, developers plan to use such anthropomorphic robots for all types of work on Japan's railway infrastructure. This way, Japan aims to address the labor shortage and reduce the number of accidents involving humans on the railway tracks. A team from the Chinese University of Hong Kong has created a snail-like robot with a helmet-like shell that moves on tracks. These robots can climb inclined surfaces and even on top of each other. Scientists believe that such robots will be useful in search and rescue operations. Several robots can connect using suction cups to create steps for other robots to climb up. The robots are equipped with magnets that help them climb on top of each other. Once in the correct position, the robots use suction cups to form a stable structure. Since each robot has its own processor, it can operate both autonomously and in coordination with others. When working together, the robots communicate with each other, coordinating their group actions. The Spanish company Mako Robotics has created a unique bartender robot named Mako, designed to revolutionize the bartending industry. Mako features humanoid traits with a tablet as its head and large expressive green eyes, making it particularly appealing and friendly to customers. The robot can perform various tasks, including mixing and serving drinks with remarkable precision and speed. It can recognize regular customers and remember their preferences, adding a personalized touch to its service. One of Mako's standout features is its ability to perform complex bartender tasks, such as opening bottles and cans, pouring precise doses, and even shaking cocktails. This versatility makes it a valuable addition for bars and restaurants looking to enhance the customer experience while maintaining high standards of service. The pioneering British robotics startup, the Shadow Robot Company, in collaboration with Google's DeepMind, has developed a new robotic hand named Shadow Hand. Recently, the Shadow Robot Company unveiled an updated range of their advanced developments at several prestigious international exhibitions, garnering significant interest from the scientific community and the high-tech industry. This innovative robotic hand is designed for research in the promising field of artificial intelligence, and according to the creators, is the most dexterous and durable robotic hand to date. The unique features of the Shadow Hand are impressive. It can fully open and close in just 0.5 seconds, providing exceptional speed and precision in movements. Additionally, this robotic hand can perform standard gripping movements with finger forces up to 10 newtons, demonstrating outstanding strength and power. The main advantage of the Shadow Hand is its durability, as the device can withstand extreme conditions such as aggressive force impacts and shocks. The Japanese company Honda has unveiled a new multifunctional robotic arm developed in collaboration with Preferred Networks. This innovative arm is capable of performing a wide range of tasks, from delicate manipulations, such as holding an egg without breaking it, to applying significant force, such as opening cans of drinks. The arm is equipped with numerous sensors and actuators that allow it to precisely control force and movement. This is achieved through the use of artificial intelligence and remote control technologies, enabling the arm to perform complex tasks with high accuracy. One of the key achievements is the arm's ability to perform both strong and gentle grips. For example, the robotic arm can open a can of drink by holding the lid and applying enough force to open it, and then gently pick up a coin or other small object. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video did you like the most. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Goodbye.